Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package, the FX4 off-road, and the trailer tow. Looking at the back here, we have rear park sensing, tow hitch, that nice Ranger logo, backup camera. We have little places to put clamps, bed step as well, a nice gripped running board with a side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated, blind spot detection, the nice Lariat logo right there. And moving to the front, we have that block heater front view camera and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, some silver accents, little storage cubby with USB and USB-C and 120 volt. And of course, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And your seats do lift up by just pulling this lever, and you do get under storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You got powered door mirrors, memory seating for the 3 drivers, and you have your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume voice, and your cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have this new looking gear shift. You just click these buttons on here to shift gears. You have your speed adjusters, parking brake, cup holders, nice little fry slot, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. You have your drive modes plus 4-wheel drive, park assist, traction, auto stop, auto start, trail control, and over here we have a leather wrapped center console with tons of storage. Got your main climate controls here, volume, all that. Nice little storage cubby here with storage underneath. A B&O sound system. We do have a nice handy rear window opener as well. And looking at our main screen here, we have our climate controls down here as well. You have navigation, phone, audio, tow and haul mode, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here we have our settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Sketch, your vehicle information such as settings and all that fun stuff. You have auto hold, off-road, and your 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE68387, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.